$2.1 million. That's how much a Springdale nonprofit is getting from the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development.
5 News reporter Rachel Williams explains how the funding will help support low-income Arkansans who are facing eviction.
With this grant, we'll be able to provide a number of services. Statewide, we're hoping to serve more than 700 Arkansans in a 2-year period and their families. Here locally in Springdale, we'll be able to provide direct representation to people who are facing threats of eviction.
Legal Aid of Arkansas is a nonprofit law firm. It supports low-income Arkansans with free civil legal services across many different areas. Samantha Doss is a staff attorney with Legal Aid and says the organization helps with pre- and post-eviction services.
With this grant, we can do more pre- and post-eviction work, which is very exciting. So, before an eviction even happens, we can help folks apply for public benefits and become more financially stable so that they don't even face that sort of threat, as well as folks that have already been evicted.
It's the first time HUD will use a federal program surrounding protection from evictions and homelessness. As the cost of living in our area continues to rise, the organization wants to step in to help as much as possible.
Last year in Washington and Benton County combined, there were over 1,300 evictions filed. That might not even include all of them, but that's sort of what we're able to see. So as you can see, there's a huge need for folks to receive legal services to assist them in that.
Billy Cook, a renters' rights advocate, knows firsthand how legal aid can help.
I was facing eviction toward the end of 2020 into 2021. Got in between jobs, got behind on my rent, and was served an eviction notice. And I didn't know who to reach out to at the time or what to do.
Cook says if it wasn't for legal aid, he would have been homeless.
They were able to help me file paperwork with the court. They were able to help me get in touch with potential rental assistance programs that might be able to help me. And I was able to buy critical time necessary to get reemployed and to get the money together I needed to pay the rent that I owed, which meant that I was not going to get evicted.
Now he uses his experience to help other renters learn about their rights.
This organization is so important. It helps so many people in the community, and the more people who know that, the better.
In Springdale, covering news where you live, Rachel Williams, 5 News.
The nonprofit hopes to have the program up and running within the next few months.